Okay, this is Module 5 of the Complete Fire Alarm Installation and Business Strategy. Okay, so in this module, we're talking about the routine maintenance procedures, routine maintenance procedures, and troubleshooting the common issues, and record keeping and compliance. So basically, you have to look at routine maintenance. You have to activate a maintenance agreement with your client after installation if they want optimal operation of these devices. It's very important. But most of the customer would not, uh, they don't know. So you have to give them a document in case of failures in the future, and they want to see what happened. You will let them know that okay, these are equipment, maybe 3 months, 6 months, depending on the environment. Some environments are very dusty, and they will need a regular maintenance and cleaning of the uh, detectors and the terminals and the brake glass and every other equipment and checking the cable integrity. So this is very important for you to inform your customer about maintenance after delivering a project. And also, uh, you have to look at the basic thing you have to be doing regularly. You have to test the sensors and detectors. Do a test. Anytime you come for maintenance, carry out your test by pressing the test button on your smoke detector, if it's the one that has the button, or you press the test button on your panel, so you can send that test sound to all the equipment and the devices, and you can see the one that is working, the one that is not working. You can quickly address it, and you can clean the terminals, of those devices, and make sure they are very free from dust. Okay. Then also check your power supply all the time. Your power supply is very important because it powers the entire system. And also ensure your sounder and the alerts they are sounding well. If you look at this diagram on your right hand side, most of these detectors they have a lifespan. Most of the detectors in the market have a lifespan. You have to check the lifespan of your detectors. Most have 10 to 15 years. All right. So you have to check. Then if it has met that number of years, it is advisable you advise your customer to change it. Also ensure that you take professionals. Electricians can assist you in testing the cables for your maintenance purpose. You don't have to do it all yourself. So get electrician that you train on how to do the basic connection. He can go there and carry out the maintenance, and you just instruct and direct. Okay. This is very important. So while you do the commercials and the documentation and the business side, you can go to the site and do all the connectivity and testing and maintenance, because collaboration is the biggest innovation. No man is an island. You cannot do everything by yourself. Okay. The whole idea is for you to understand how it works, connectivity, the maintenance and troubleshooting. Then you can build a team of young electricians that can, be trained by you on what to do, and you do the programming and the setup yourself. The climbing of ladder, cleaning, and every other thing can be done by them. So this is very important, and you also have to ensure that the safety tips are followed and sign are deployed on site, meaning that when you finish installation, you're supposed to advise your client on the safety signs to get, and these signs will be hung all over the structures at some strategic points, so visitors can know uh, you know how your sign and the meaning, and to be able to operate and function in that environment. you know, the smoking area should be designated for smoking, and the sign should be, duly placed at that corner. Okay, so this is the end of this particular uh, lesson. So we'll see you in the next lesson.